Here are 8 reasons why the Winnebago View and Navion are better than the Thor Tiburon. The first reason why we think the Winnebago View and Navion are better than the Thor Tiburon is the occupant and cargo carrying capacity of the View and Navion. Occupant cargo carrying capacity is an important specification to understand before you buy your motorhome. The occupant cargo carrying capacity label is required by federal motor vehicle safety standards to ensure that buyers know the weight of the passengers and cargo they can safely carry. Vehicle safety systems like tires, brakes, and collision avoidance all may be compromised when the loaded motorhome weight exceeds the chassis weight rating. The occupant cargo carrying capacity figure is the maximum allowable weight for all occupants, personal belongings, and the weight of any fresh water you carry. Even the weight you put on the hitch must be included in your cargo calculation, and the total must be less than the occupant cargo carrying capacity for safe operation of your RV. The Thor Tiburon has an occupant cargo carrying capacity of 349 pounds, while the Winnebago View and Navion have an occupant cargo carrying capacity range of 1,100 to over 1,400 pounds. That is over 300% more occupant cargo carrying capacity in the View and Navion compared to the Thor Tiburon. Our second reason why we think the Winnebago View and Navion are better than the Thor Tiburon is the one-piece fiberglass roof in the View and Navion. The View and Navion come standard with a one-piece fiberglass roof on top of a laminated block foam insulated superstructure that is backed by over 60 years of proven durability and a 10-year parts and labor roof warranty. The fiberglass roof in the View and Navion can be walked on and is stronger and more durable to outside conditions. The Tiburon comes with a rubber or TPO roof that is made from a cheaper glue and screwed construction to wood trusses that can degrade over time. TPO roofs also require increased maintenance and regular repair to prevent roof degradation. This TPO roof warranty from Thor, while 12 years in length, will only provide parts under warranty, and the labor, which is the majority of the cost with respect to roof warranty claims, is on a sliding scale, decreasing coverage over time. The fiberglass roof in the View and Navion require lower maintenance and are more user-friendly. Our third reason why the Winnebago View and Navion are better than the Thor Tiburon is the solar power system in the View and Navion. The Winnebago View and Navion come with a best-in-class solar package replenishing the dual group 31 RV batteries and include 2 100-watt solar panels, a battery charger with controller, junction box, and a plug for additional portable solar panel on the side of the View and Navion. The View and Navion also come standard with a 2,000-watt pure sine wave inverter to safely power electronics. The Thor Tiburon comes with a single 100-watt solar panel and a 1,000-watt inverter. The Tiburon comes with half the solar power and half the inverter compared to the View and Navion. Our fourth reason why the Winnebago View and Navion are better than the Thor Tiburon is the sleeping configurations in the View and Navion. The View and Navion are available in 3 unique floor plans with various sleeping configurations created to best suit your needs. The floor plan sleeping configurations include a powered Murphy Plus bed in the 24D, twin beds that convert into cross-coach sleeping measuring at 74 inches wide and 87 inches long in the 24V, and a corner bed that makes room for a large corner bathroom in the 24J. The Tiburon comes in 3 floor plans, but 2 of the floor plans, the 24RW and the 24TT, come with an extremely heavy flip-down bed that has to be manually lowered into the sleeping position. Our fifth reason why the Winnebago View and Navion are better than the Thor Tiburon is the SuperShell sleeper deck in the Winnebago View and Navion. The new SuperShell sleeper deck includes premium thermal and acoustic insulation, making the front bunk lighter and more comfortable than ever before. The SuperShell sleeper deck also provides great space for storage when it isn't being used as a bed. The Tiburon comes with a generic cap-over bunk that was not engineered with the same level of thermal and acoustic insulation as Winnebago's SuperShell sleeper deck in the View and Navion. Our sixth reason why the Winnebago View and Navion are better than the Thor Tiburon is the custom automotive-grade entry door. In previous model years, Winnebago always had a best-in-class entry door on the Winnebago View and Navion. Winnebago took the best-in-class entry door to a whole new level with a custom-designed Automobile-Grade entry door designed in Europe specifically for the Winnebago View and Navion. The new door is extremely sturdy, while similar to a car door with dual latching points that greatly reduce wind and road noise. The inside of the door features a sliding shade and indoor storage perfect for umbrellas, shoes, and other outdoor gear. The Thor Tiburon features a typical third-party manufactured door that is often seen in entry-level trailers and RVs. Our seventh reason why the Winnebago View and Navion are better than the Thor Tiburon is the View and Navion's superior off-the-grid capabilities. A compact coach is the ultimate freedom vehicle, and the last thing you want is to be tied down to a traditional campground. The View and Navion feature two large Group 31 batteries, large freshwater tank, best-in-class holding tank capacities, and a compressor refrigerator. The View and Navion also have optional lithium-ion smart batteries available. Winnebago designed all of these features into the Winnebago View and Navion to provide users with an extended off-the-grid functionality like never seen before in a Winnebago View or Navion. The Thor Tiburon has a smaller inverter, one small house battery, and smaller holding tank. Overall, the Thor Tiburon is not well equipped for camping outside of a traditional campground. With the View and Navion, anywhere can be your campground. Our final reason why the Winnebago View and Navion are better than the Thor Tiburon is Winnebago's superior experience building RVs. In Winnebago's 60 years of building RVs, they have pioneered several construction standards that are now industry standard. Winnebago was the first RV company in the U.S. to manufacture compact RVs and camper vans. Why buy an RV from any other manufacturer? That wraps up our 8 reasons why the Winnebago View and Navion are better than the Tiburon. Please visit LidstsinnRV.com to see our entire inventory and watch more videos like this one.